Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Quran quiz. Question number 1. Which surah of the Quran falls at the middle of Quran? Surah Al-Kahf falls at the middle of the Quran. Question number 2. Which surah of the Quran is that Allah mentioned Battle of Badr? A. Surah Al-Tawbah, B. Surah Falak, C. Surah Ikhlas, or D. Surah Nas? Allah mentioned Battle of Badr in Surah Tawbah. Question number 3. Two chapters of Quran. One start with the last word of the second. What are their names? A. Surah Al-Infatar and Surah Al-Nabi, B. Surah Al-Naml and Surah Al-Qariyah, C. Surah Al-Qadr and Surah Al-Fajr, or D. Surah Al-Kahf and Surah Al-Ikhlas? Answer to question number 3 is Surah Al-Qadr and Surah Al-Fajr. Question number 4. Which chapter of the Quran caused the conversion of Umar bin Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, to Islam? A. Surah Hajj, B. Surah Tawbah, C. Surah Muhammad, or D. Surah Taha? Surah Taha caused the conversion of Umar bin Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, to Islam. Question number 5. Who was first to order the compilation of Quran? A. Abu Bakr Siddiq, B. Umar bin Khattab, C. Osman bin Affan, or D. Ali bin Abi Talib? Abu Bakr Siddiq was first to order the compilation of Quran. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.